Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, tax, or legal advice. All opinions expressed are personal views only. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The creator is not responsible for any financial losses incurred based on information presented in this video. You're probably paying more tax than you need to. This year, right now, most salaried folks are, they just don't know it, or they can't be bothered. That's your money, gone forever. Look, the government changed things again. The new tax regime, it used to be a joke for most people, not anymore. They tweaked it, made it slightly less stupid, but people are still stuck on the old ways or confused. They're missing out on actual savings. Think rupee 17,500, just like that. Gone. Every year, because they don't update their forms or they don't understand the new numbers. It's not complicated, it's just annoying, and it's costing you straight cash. The budget changed the game, slightly, for the new tax regime. Remember this standard deduction for salaried employees. It's now rupee 75,000. That's 75,000 off your taxable income. Big deal. Before it was zero in the new regime. Now it's there, use it. Then the slabs, they've made it better for incomes up to 7 lakh. You pay practically nothing. 5% tax, that's a relief for many. This isn't rocket science, it's just numbers. The old regime had more deductions, but it was complicated. People made mistakes or didn't claim things. The new regime is simpler, fewer choices, but those choices matter. Especially now, with the standard deduction and the better slabs, you can save up to 17,500 annually, easily, if you do it right. How does this 17,500 happen? Simple math. Let's take someone earning rupee 10 lakh. Old regime, they'd claim HRA, maybe some ADC, etc. Let's say they reduce taxable income by 1.5 lakh. Taxable income, 8.5 lakh. New regime pre-budget, no standard deduction. Taxable income, 10 lakh. Higher tax outgo. New regime post-budget, standard deduction of rupee 75,000. So rupee 10 lakh minus rupee 75,000. That's 9.25 lakh taxable. Now let's look at the tax itself. With 9.25 lakh taxable income in the new regime. First 3 lakh, nil tax. Next 3 lakh to 6 lakh, 5% equals rupee 15,000. Next 3 lakh, 6 lakh to 9 lakh, 10% equals rupee 30,000. Remaining rupee 25,000, 9 lakh to 9.25 lakh. 15% equals rupee 3,750. Total tax 15,000 plus 30,000 plus 3,750 equals rupee 48,750. This is just an example. Your exact income matters, but the principle is the same. You save tax because of that 75,000 deduction. And the simplified slabs, what about the 7 lakh income? Under the new regime, it's tax-free, effectively, with the rebate. So no tax at all. That's a huge relief for many. Stop procrastinating. This is what you do. Now, 1. Check your salary slip. Verify if your employer is already applying the standard deduction for the new regime. If not, they should. 2. If you are opting for the new tax regime, make sure your employer knows. You usually declare this. 3. Use a good app to track. I've seen many people struggle with tax forms. Apps like Money can help you see your tax liability clearly under both regimes and calculate potential savings. It's not about fancy features, it's about clarity so you don't mess up. 4. Understand the rebate. For incomes up to 7 lakh, there's a rebate. This means zero tax liability. If you are in this bracket, you are sorted with the new regime. 5. Don't get greedy with old regime deductions if they don't make sense anymore. The new regime is simpler. Stick to it if it saves you money, that's it. Simple steps. Stop losing money to taxes. You don't have to. Use the new rules, it's not that hard. Subscribe for more blunt advice.